Good day, sir. We are group number 3. We're here to report our topic, which is lateral marks and cardinal marks. So the course outcome of our topic is working knowledge of the lateral marks and cardinal marks. And the learning outcome of our topic is demonstrate working knowledge of the lateral marks and cardinal marks. So the importance of the topic is the students will have a working knowledge of the lateral marks and cardinal marks.
Good day, sir. I'm Kaiser M. Kulanag, and I will explain about the lateral mark. So the lateral mark is a lateral buoy, lateral post, or lateral mark defined by the International Association of Lighthouse Authorities as a sea mark used in maritime pilotage to indicate the edge of a channel. Each mark indicates the edge of the water or the safe water channel in terms of port or starboard. So what is the use of lateral marks, or what is the purpose of these lateral marks? So the lateral mark serves to indicate which side of the waterway is to be followed. The port mark should be kept to the vessel's left side, while the starboard marks to the right side. Good day, sir. I'm Kaiser M. As you can see here at the PowerPoint, the lateral mark shows the port left and the starboard right of navigable water or channels. So a port mark which is red with a can-like shape, and at night a port buoy shows a red flashing light when lit. Then, as you can see, then next is the starboard mark is green with a cone-like shape, and at night a starboard buoy shows a green light when lit. So when a port and starboard lateral mark are opposite to each other, travel between them. Sometimes they are not in pairs, though. When they're in a single lateral mark, the safe side to pass depends on the direction of travel or voyage. So the direction of voyage is shown on the chart by the symbol.
So, good day, sir. I'm Cadet Condrillion, and I'm gonna continue the lateral marks. So, when traveling upstream or palayo sa dagat, so you have a signal kaning arrow niya na red or green nga color. So, kung palayo sa dagat, keep port red. Mark on your port hand side left, and kung starboard side, the light must be green, and marks on your starboard hand side must be right. And when traveling downstream naman sad, kung padung sa dagat, keep port red, marks on your starboard hand side right. So ang silbi ang bali ani ang iya marks ra sa imo starboard ug ang port hand side. So kung keep starboard side sad is green, keep starboard green, and marks on your port hand side must be left. So that is all for lateral marks. And next is the cardinal marks. So cardinal marks shows where the deepest and safest water is by using a compass. So ang kaning lateral marks, they can mark where to find the deepest water in the area, asay mas lawom, asay mas safe nga part sa dagat, ug asay part sa dagat nga na danger. So it also features channel, kana example ani kay a bend, a junction, or end of a shoal. And cardinal marks have black and yellow bands. So with a black double cones on top showing the different compass direction that identifies the safest and deepest water to travel in. So dali ra kay mailhan ang cardinal marks kay tungod sa compass direction, and nasa black and white nga mura na siya cone. So at night, each type of cardinal marks has a flashing white light. So sa kung gabi isad, so di man ta kita sa danger, so nay flashing. So ang ila flashing depende ra na sa unsay hazard. Kung nay flashing para sa safe ni water, nay flashing para danger ni nga ari nga dapit. So like flashing every cardinal marks, every unsay hazard nila. So, to remember each type of cardinal marks, think of a compass face with the numbers of a clock mark on its beside each direction. So, para daw madali mahinumduman ang cardinal marks kay mag-think daw compass face. So, kanang dali ra man na mailhan ang cardinal marks because kanang it's cardinal north, south, east, and west. So, mong dali ra mailhan. Nga makita ra nimo ang madali nimo ma-identify unsa siya nga unsay meaning niya o unsay mga safe ba siya or danger ba or kanang nga meaning sa cardinal mark. So that is all for my report, sir.
North Cardinal Mark. North Cardinal Mark shows there is safe water to the north of the mark. So the color of the mark is black over yellow. And the shape is any shape but most commonly pillar or spar. And the tarp mark is it has two cones pointing upwards. And the light at night is white and the rhythm is quick or very quick. East Cardinal Mark. East Cardinal Mark shows there is safe water to the east of the mark. So the color of the mark is black, yellow, black. And the shape is any shape but most commonly pillar or spar. So the top mark it has two cones pointing away from each other. And the lights at night is white. And the rhythm is 3 quicks for every 15 seconds or 3 very quicks for every 5 seconds. South Cardinal Mark. South Cardinal Mark shows there is safe water to the south of the mark. So the color of the mark is yellow over black. And the shape is any shape but most commonly pillar or spar. So the top mark is two cones pointing downwards. And the lights at night is white. And the rhythm is 6 quicks plus long flash for every 15 seconds. Or 6 very quicks plus long flash for every 10 seconds.
So for the West Cardinal Mark shows that there is a safe water to the west of the mark. So the top mark or top cones makes the shape of a wine glass, so which is it's like pointing each other. So just remember, think of a W for a wine glass for the west, so that you will not be confused. So at night, so the rhythm is quickly a 9 times for every 10 or 15 seconds light flashes. So there is the references. This is for the week one and which titled by navigation, buoys, marks, and beacons. So there is the link below, and there is the names of our group mates. So I think that is all for our report, sir, and I hope you enjoy and thank you for listening. God bless.